new Federal Signal 2000. It's just been installed not too long ago. I never had the chance to actually record this one. This one is over here by the Walmart. The last one I recorded was over in Valley Center, down that way, about a mile and a half, 2 miles over there. And this one we needed right by my house, which is over there. And right now I'm on a dirt road. There's my truck. So this is just somebody's dirt road. They let me use it. So this one, it's a really nice one. It's brand new. God knows why they use, metal, wooden, nasty looking poles for a new tornado siren. But oh well. It should be going off here in a minute. And it's probably about 11:58, 11:59. But that's about as close as I want to get to the siren. It's extremely loud. Probably nice and get a little closer for you guys, but it's really loud, so my ears can't handle that much sound. I feel bad for these people over here. I'm not gonna show the entire place, but people over here, they live literally right next to a siren, which sucks. I'm probably a good less than 100 feet away from the siren, which really sucks. It's gonna be really loud. But it is a gorgeous siren. It is a very good looking one. I think it's supposed to be around 15 grand for the whole setup, which is ridiculous. No wonder it took them forever to set it up. So I'm just gonna be quiet for the whole time. Sec. Not sure if the one here in Valley Center are tied together and they go off or not. sounds extremely clear. I love it. It's a wonderful clear sound.